we headed out to Canyon Lake, Arizona, to catch the historic Dolly Steamboat for their Twilight dinner cruise.
Going upstairs, honey. What you gotta say about that?
It was a crisp evening, right around 64 degrees. Perfect weather for a seat on the top deck. Before we pushed off, we took a quick look at the lower deck bar and snack area, but we decided the best views were definitely going to be from the back of the boat.
As we are looking for bighorn sheep, let's also keep our eyes open for mule deer, white-tailed deer, mountain lion, bobcat, crappie, catfish, carp, striped bass, walleye, perch. That fish weighed in at 16 and a half pounds.
What you got?
Popcorn.
You got popcorn?
What we
Yeah.
lack in size,
And it's
we
good.
more than make them.
As the Dolly pulled away from the dock, we really started to feel the history of the vessel. She's been cruising these waters since the 80s, keeping that 19th century paddleboat charm alive. We were quickly surrounded by the towering volcanic cliffs of the Superstition Wilderness. These walls rose hundreds of feet straight out of the water, and in that twilight light, the textures were incredible. We learned that the canyon lake was originally formed by the Mormon Flat Dam back in the 1920s.
This water resource used for irrigation, household water, electric power, and
Every turn revealed a new hidden cove, and the slow, steady pace of the steamboat made it easy to just soak it all in. By the time the sun tucked behind the cliffs, dinner was served. We were really impressed that they offered us gluten-free options. Our meal included a salad, prime rib, chicken, mashed potatoes, and green beans, all topped off with a slice of cheesecake. Since it was the holiday season, they had the interior decorated with a small Christmas tree, which made the cabin feel so cozy as we cruised through the dark. On our way back, the boat's lights caught something moving in the middle of the lake. There were hundreds of American Coots swimming together. They aren't actually ducks, they're more closely related to cranes, and they usually gather in these huge groups for safety. It was pretty cool watching them swim away into the darkness as the steamboat passed by. There was something truly peaceful about being on the water after dark. It was a side of the Arizona desert we had never seen before. The entire experience was a beautiful way to see the superstitions from a different perspective. So, what do you think? Would you prefer the daytime sightseeing tour, or was the twilight glow the way to go?